In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm sharing the laziest 1-minute gold scalping strategy that requires 0 indicators. Okay, it is pure price action. Okay, so now the trick to making this lazy strategy work is your risk to reward ratio. First, we never accept less than a 1 to 2 trade. Even if you lose your trades, you still walk away profitable. That's what we mean by risk to reward ratio. And shall just follow like 2 rules. First, following the trend and waiting for the market to come to support and resistance, wait for confirmation, then you execute your trade. Now, for example, this was your bearish trend, guys. When you open your market, when the day like opens, just indicate or just get your support and resistance zones. Remember, in the bearish trend, we already look for resistance zones. This is always a resistance zone. So we draw your resistance zone right there. Wait for the market to come to your resistance zone. That's why you waited for this market. You can see up to when you waited for it to come to this resistance zone. Okay, now the market has come to your resistance zone. Now you ask yourself, what is next after coming to my resistance zone? It is what we are talking about, guys. Now when the market comes to resistance zone, remember you have to get confirmation. Wait for it to be swept out. Okay, wait for this resistance zone to be swept out, leaving wicks up that resistance zone. It means that it is taking away the early sellers, for the big banks, for the institutions to come in. So after waiting for the sweep, now wait for confirmation, guys. This is the best confirmation that I've ever used. It is double tops and double bottoms. This is what I mean. The market will first make a fake move. Okay, the market will first move like this, creating the first top right here. After that, the market will turn again right here. It will turn again, creating another top right here. It means that it has created double tops. Now, where is the entry? We shall always enter on the second top. When the market comes back again, it will create another top. Now, when it creates another top, your role is to see the bearish candle on the second top for you to enter. This is what I mean. So, if the market came, it retraced again, it created this bullish candle, then it created this bearish candle right here. So now, traders would just enter on this bearish candle after another top has been made, guys, and you trade a 1 to 3 trade, guys, right? You can see how the market moved after that. Okay, so let's see another example if you have not understood it very well. Okay, it is right here, guys. This was a bearish trend too. Okay, you can see this bearish trend. Can you see this? Then let's look for the entry. Remember, we said we have like 3 rules. One of it, waiting for the break of market structure to the downside. There was a break, though it was small there. Then drawing your resistance zone. This was our resistance levels right here. Okay, after drawing them, waiting for the market to retrace. The market retraced up to your resistance zone. There are your resistance zone, and that's the retracement the market made up there. Then this is what I want to show the entry, guys. Okay, so this is the entry. I told you we use double tops. This is very nice. The market, it first tapped your resistance zone, it retraced. Okay, it made a fake move, then it retraced again. This is the first top. You can see it made the first top, it made the second top right here. Then where is the entry? It is right here on the second top. Okay, it will always first fake away these early sellers. It take them out, then it creates the confirmation, which is this bearish engulfing. Then for us, our role is to enter after the close of this bearish engulfing candle. Okay, then the stop loss, it will always be above that bearish candle. Then the TP, it is always a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3 trade, guys. You can see. So it moved perfectly after really doing that, guys. Okay, so this strategy, just know it is really nice. Okay, when you really follow the trend, guys. So if at least you have got something today, consider subscribing, give a like this video, and share it to friends. And if you're trading a prop firm, 8 cap challenges has got you covered. So link is in the description. Register to get a 10% discount on any challenge that you really purchase with good spreads and quick withdrawals and deposits.